Stability of complexes. In the case of stability of complexes, first of all, you have know what is stability constant. Consider the formation of silver ammonium complex compound. That is, silver ion react with two molecules of ammonia to form AgNH3 twice plus. The equilibrium constant of the reaction can be expressed as the concentration of AgNH3 twice plus divided by concentration of Ag plus into concentration of NH3 square. This equilibrium constant represents the stability constant of the reaction. That is, stability constant is an equilibrium constant for the formation of a complex in solution. It is a measure of the strength of interaction between the reagents that come together to form the complex. The two important terms in stability is thermodynamic stability and kinetic stability. The stability of metal complex generally means that it exists under favorable conditions without undergoing decomposition. The term stability of metal complex cannot be generalized since the complex may be stable to one reagent and may decompose in presence of another reagent. The stability of metal complexes can be explained with the help of two different aspects, that is thermodynamic stability and kinetic stability. A metal complex is said to be stable if it does not react with water, which would lead to a decrease in the free energy of the system. That is thermodynamic stability. In the case of thermodynamic stability, we deal with metal ligand bond energies, stability constants, and the several thermodynamic variables which are derivable from them. The stability of a complex is a measure of the strength of metal ligand bond. The stronger the metal ligand bond, the greater is the thermodynamic stability of the complex. That is, thermodynamic stability increases with the strength of metal ligand bond. Kinetic stability. Kinetic stability is related to the reactivity of metal complexes in solution. It deals with the rate of reaction, its activation energy, etc. Kinetic stability is also related to how fast a compound reacts rather than how stable it is. It aids in determining the rate at which the reaction occurs to establish the equilibrium. The two important terms in kinetic stability is labile and inert. The term kinetic stability of complexes is classified into labile and inert on the basis of rate of reaction. When the rate of substitution of ligands is high, the complex is said to be labile. On the other hand, when the rate of ligand exchange is slow, the ligands are exchanged with difficulty and is said to be inert. A coordination compound is formed in solution by the stepwise addition of ligands to a metal. The reaction is represented as M plus L gives Ml. By assuming the value of activity coefficients as unity, the equilibrium constant K1 for the complex Ml having one ligand L will be given as concentration of Ml divided by concentration of M into concentration of L. That is the equilibrium constant of the reaction. When the metal complex Ml react with one more ligand L, that is Ml plus L, it gives Ml2. The equilibrium constant of the reaction can be represented as K2 is equal to concentration of Ml2 divided by concentration of Ml into concentration of L. Similarly, for the formation of complex MLN from Ml n minus 1 and L, the equilibrium constant is represented as Kn is equal to concentration of MLN divided by concentration of Ml n minus 1 into concentration of L. The equilibrium constant for the overall reaction may be considered as M plus L gives Ml, where beta 1 is equal to concentration of Ml divided by concentration of M into concentration of L. M plus 2L gives Ml2, where beta 2 equal to concentration of Ml2 divided by concentration of M into concentration of L square. And M plus 3L is equal to Ml3. Then beta 3 is equal to concentration of Ml3 divided by concentration of M into concentration of L cube. The overall reaction can be represented as M plus NL gives MLN, where beta n is equal to concentration of MLN divided by concentration of M into concentration of L raised to N, where N is the coordination number and L is a monodentate ligand. Beta 1, beta 2, beta 3, etc. beta n are the equilibrium constants called as overall formation constants. And K1, K2, K3, etc. Kn are stepwise stability or stepwise formation constants. The product of stepwise formation constant, that is K1 into K2 into K3 into etc. up to Kn, represent the overall formation constant of the reaction.